Hello, so I'm averaging prices here, but we want to average not the zeros. So the issue is if we have, let's say, these customers and we've sold them some items at different prices, we want to know the average price of what we've sold them. If we do equals average, and it's going to, in fact, give us this really cool formula already filled out, essentially. Really fun, right? However, this is wrong. This is not the average price because I don't want to count these zeros. And I want to show zero, but I don't want it to count as a zero. So if I go through and delete these zeros, you can see that now this is the actual average price, not including the zeros. So how do we get the average price to show here without having to go through and delete all of the zeros? I'm going to show you right here and right now, and it's just two more letters. Average if. So we're going to do average if. We're going to add one thing inside of this formula, which is comma, and in quotes, we're going to do these brackets. It's like angled brackets. And zero, and then end quote. Now, this is really a funky way to do essentially not zero. There's our average price, 31, right? So if we delete these zeros, it doesn't change. And if we change it back to average only, B4 colon B, that is 31, right? Isn't that cool? We can use this average if with this sort of funky way to say not zero as a criteria, and we get the actual average without zeros. Hope you enjoyed that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.